This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow component Nike reports earnings after Monday's closing bell. Taking a look back, the stock was a very solid performer heading into 2020. Got up just above 100 at that time in January, then sold off to what do we have here? About a 3-year low or 2 or 3 year low during the pandemic decline. It then completed this cup and handle breakout in August 2020, thrusting all the way up to about the 150 level in December. Well, that marked the start of the consolidative period. As you can see, price action consolidated between this high and the 200-day moving average, finally bottoming out in January, turning higher, breaking out. That was a very good earnings report right here in June, taking off in this big rally that got up to about the 175 level in August. Now, breakout attempt in the fourth quarter failed, not from lack of trying. We have two little pops right above this resistance level. Bears then took over. We have a breakdown of the 50-day moving average, following by a breakdown of the 200-day moving average of January. Now, this sell-off thrust has just been brutal. The stock's down about 25% year to date. And for a market performer like Nike, that's a real big deal because the stock has produced some fabulous returns if you take a look back over time. Now let's move up to say a weekly. As you can see, weekly we've been mired down here in the oversold level for a very long time. The good news is getting down to about 116, which is around the 200-week moving average, so that's good for support. However, this double top right here measures more to about 110 or so. So it is possible that we're going to get another thrust down through this area here or test this range. You can sort of see the same thing in a on the monthly. Take a look at the monthly here. As you can see, the 50-week moving average is down closer to about 113, 114. So I think we get another thrust, and we're just sort of extending into the extreme sell-off range right here. And this is actually what's called a stochastics pop, which is a very bearish signal when you see these two lines spreading while the lead line goes into the oversold. So this is actually very bearish looking ahead towards earnings, which isn't really a surprise considering the performance. So, I mean, anything could happen to earnings, but I'm looking more down in this price range right here for a longer lasting Nike tradable low.